Hello! Tonight we're cooking sweet and sour fish. I supposed to be cooking red snapper, but when I go to the market, there is no red snapper, so I use the alternate fish, which is pomfret or pompano. Okay? This is my ingredients. Fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, red onions, ginger, gloves of ginger or 2 thumbs of ginger, vinegar, which is 6 tablespoons of vinegar, water, 16 ounces, or you can use 1.5 cup of water, and 8 tablespoons of ketchup, and 6 tablespoons of sugar, carrots, 1 carrot, and 1 each of the red bell pepper, 1 bell pepper, 1 green, and yellow and orange. This is my flour wondra. I use 2 tablespoons of wondra and dilute with water with 4 tablespoons. So it's up to you to measure it. As long that you dilute like this, so until it's really totally diluted. Okay. Of course, my ingredients here: the salt and pepper. Okay. So let's start cooking. Here my frying dish. So this is one. Oh, anyway, before you fry a fish, so in order to remove the fishy smell in your house, you have to. My wife made some. What do you call this? What do you call this?
Simmer pot.
Simmer pot. Yeah, air fresheners to counteract the fishy smell. Okay. So I already preheat the oil. I use 2 cups of oil to fry my fish. So let's start frying my fish. When you fry the fish, you have to be sure that you fry this. Okay. So 2 cups of oil. So I just have cover it because I don't want to splash the oil on my kitchen countertop. So we just wait for a few minutes until the fish is turned to golden brown. Okay? So let's cover the fish. Now let's start the saute on the other side. Okay? Start here. Oil. Let's wait until the oil is hot. Welcome to Ricky Baby's kitchen. Now let's saute the garlic. Okay. Let's saute again. I use 5 cloves of garlic. Let's saute the garlic. Let's wait until brown. Okay, then you add the onions. Let's saute the onions. Okay, while waiting for the onions, let's check the fish. A little bit. We have to wait until this fish is golden brown. Okay. Let's see. Let me time it for 3 minutes. Okay. Smell the aroma of the garlic. Okay. Add the ginger. Okay. Let's check our fish. A little bit. Okay. Now let's add the vinegar. Add vinegar. Stir it, and then I smell the vinegar. It smells good. And let's add the water. Okay. So we just wait for a few minutes until this water, the water boil, and let's come back. Okay. So we have to wait a few minutes until this boil, and we have to add the additional ingredients. Okay. Ricky Baby's Kitchen. Let's check our fish. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's turn around the fish. See, it's golden brown. There. It's beautiful fish. Okay, the fish. I marinate the fish with garlic powder, black pepper, and salt, and I added also lemon. Okay, so let's time it for another 5 minutes and come back. Okay. Okay, let's continue. See, it's already boiled. Now let's add our ketchup here. Okay. Again, this is 8 tablespoons of ketchup. We have to dilute it. Now let's add our sugar. The sugar is 6 tablespoons of sugar. Okay? White sugar. Now we have to wait another probably 3 minutes when this water will boil again, and then let's add our another ingredient, which is the carrots and the red bell pepper. Okay, let's check our fish. Okay, perfect. So let's remove our fish. Let's put it here. Set aside the fish. Okay. Put it here. Smells good. Now let's add the carrots. And the pepper, okay? The red bell pepper, orange, and the green. From this point, you have to wait 3 minutes, okay? You can time 3 minutes. You put 3 minutes, you don't overcook the vegetables, okay? Just perfectly cooked. 3 minutes. And for 3 minutes, so let's check. Okay, perfect. Can you try the taste? Let me taste it. Let me taste before I put my thing. Oh, perfect. Ricky Baby's kitchen. Ricky Baby. Let's do the cooking. Okay? Now let's add our cornstarch. The final ingredients, okay? So there. Cornstarch here. So you have to dilute the cornstarch, okay? That. So let's just wait for 30 seconds. See that? The sauce start getting, what do you call it? Thick. So you notice that the water, the sauce is getting thicker. Okay. Now let's add the fish. This is our final. Oh, hold on. Let me add first the black pepper. Sprinkled with black pepper and just a little bit of salt because it's already just a little. Okay, that's it. Now let's do one more. So that is, it's getting thick now, the sauce. Now let's add the fish. After you add the fish, there, okay? The fish, there. So after you add the fish, you have to wait for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Then you remove the fish, put on the separate dish, and you're good to go. Okay? 2 minutes. Time for 2 minutes. Low heat. And our soap-made air freshener. We don't smell any fish in the house, so we only smell the aroma of the lemon, the rosemary, and the peppercorn, and vanilla extract. Okay, so this is our air freshener to counter-attack the
Williams-Sonoma recipe.
The Williams-Sonoma recipe? Oh yeah, okay. So thank you, Williams-Sonoma. And so now we smell good in the house, not something fishy. Not something fishy. It smells good. So my wife helped me. She prepared this one because she don't like a fishy house smell. This is Ricky Baby's kitchen. I'm cooking sweet and sour fish. In Tagalog, we call it escabeche. Escabeche, escabeche, Ricky baby. I'm wearing my blonde hair today. See? Blonde hair, this up. Without hair, with hair. Without hair, with hair. Without hair, with hair. Okay, time is up. Okay, let's remove our fish.
Can you turn this off?
Yes, please. Okay, turn off. Ooh, let's remove our fish. Okay, there we go. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's gonna be tasty. Yeah. Now, you have to garnish it with this on top, the vegetables. There. Look at that. Okay. This is perfect with steamed rice. Steamed rice. Now, let's make sweet and sour fish. Let's put the sauce. Sauce in it. Okay. There we go. Okay. See, I made more sauce in this because next time I just want to buy, or I just fry the fish and that's it. We have an extra sauce. Okay, we're here.
Wipe it.
Okay, try it a little bit. To clean it, to clean it. Ooh. Okay. Let's remove my hair. Here. That. And you eat it with vegetables. So you don't need, it's perfect with steamed rice, but I will eat it with vegetables only. I need more sauce. Okay. Again, guys. Perfect. Ooh, look at that fish. Really good. It really tastes good. The ginger and the other vegetables that I added as my ingredients. Mostly the ginger, you'll taste it. Okay? So here's my continue eating. Of course. At least I have my hair today. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you for your support. With your support, I'm inspired to continue making more videos because of your support. And thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. And this is your occasional comedian, RICKYBABY. Before I get out on this video, this is my short dance for you. Thank you for watching RICKYBABY, RICKYBABY's channel. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.